Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Knives Out with your Facebook account. Logging into Knives Out with Facebook is super easy. Open the Knives Out app on your device and from the main sign-in page, tap on Other option. Now it'll show you other login options from where you'll need to select Facebook login. Click on the Continue button and allow access for authorizing access. Make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account on your phone. If you haven't already, you will need to enter your Facebook email and password. And once you do that, you will see this pop up where you'll need to tap Open. Now allow necessary permissions by tapping Continue, and this will then sign you in to your Knives Out account. The game will load your Knives Out account linked to Facebook, and that's it. That way you can easily log in Knives Out with Facebook. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.